Welcome to the final lesson in our Python series. Today we learn best practices and the PEP8 style guide. We cover black formatting, Ruff linting, and Mypy type checking. These tools keep your code clean, consistent, and bug-free. PEP8 is the official Python style guide for writing readable code. It defines naming rules: snake_case for functions, PascalCase for classes. Black is an auto-formatter that enforces consistent style instantly. We clean old files and install black. Now we write a file with bad style on purpose. The imports are comma-separated. PEP8 says 1 per line. Variables use CamelCase, and the function is PascalCase. The class name should be PascalCase, not snake_case. No spaces around operators, and a very long line. Let us review. Notice all the style violations. Now black reformats the file. It fixed spacing and split the semicolons into separate lines. But naming stays the same. Black only fixes formatting. Alice is age 20, grade A, and Bob is age 22, grade B. Linters analyze your code without running it. They catch bugs early. Ruff is a fast linter that finds unused imports and common mistakes. Mypy checks types statically, catching mismatches before runtime. We install Ruff and Mypy, two essential code quality tools. This file has unused imports and intentional type errors. OS, JSON, and SYS are imported but never used in the code. The type hints say integer and string, but we pass wrong types below. We pass the string 5 instead of the number 5, and 42 instead of a last name. Let us review the code before running the tools. Ruff found the 3 unused imports. F401 means unused import. Ruff fix automatically removes the dead imports. 3 errors fixed. The imports are gone now, only the typing import remains. Mypy found the type errors. It shows exactly which arguments are wrong. Now we fix the type errors by passing correct types. Five instead of the string 5, Smith instead of 42, and 42 instead of hello. Let us verify the fixed code. Mypy reports success. No type errors found. Good code combines proper naming, type hints, and documentation. DOC strings explain what functions do, their arguments, and return values. A well-written module passes black, Ruff, and Mypy with 0 warnings. We create a clean module that follows every best practice. Imports are grouped. Standard library first. Constants use upper_case at the top. The data class decorator reduces boilerplate. The docstring explains the purpose. Every method has a return type hint and a docstring. Letter_grade uses a loop with tuples to map scores to letters. The top-level function has a Google-style docstring with an args section. The name equals main guard prevents code from running on import. Let us review. Notice how readable the code is with docstrings and type hints. Black check confirms our formatting is already correct. Ruff finds no issues, clean imports, and no unused code. Mypy strict mode passes. All types are correct and complete. Alice gets an A, Bob a C, and Charlie fails. Clean code that passes every tool. This is Professional Python. PEP8 defines naming and formatting rules. Black auto formats so teams stay consistent. Ruff catches bugs and dead imports fast. Mypy prevents type errors before runtime. Series complete. Keep building and practicing. Thank you for completing the entire Python tutorial series. Subscribe and check out the full playlist for all 41 lessons.